Obviously, the three-point shooting was the difference with the first and second half numbers. What helped tilt the scale when you look at that?
Our defense just consistently over the game was the difference. You know, neither team shot it that well from three, obviously, but I think over the course of the game, our defense was excellent, and that's the main difference. Because if we can defend and get stops, obviously we've got a lot of guys who can get out in transition and score.
I think we've been in a decent rhythm. I think there's still another level we can get to. And I have no doubt in my mind that we will get to that level. But with as bad as we were playing, to kind of get to where we are now is pretty solid. And, you know, it's the first round. If you can still win and not be clicking and peaking at that time, it's great. And I don't think we are. So I think it's been solid. You know, we've been able to find a pretty decent rhythm, but there are some things that we can clean up on that side of the ball, and we will.